How to set up your Bumble profile? Just download it Bumble. Let's set up your profile so you can start swiping in style. Open Bumble app. Tap on profile. At bottom right corner, tap complete profile. Tap the photo section. Choose your best shot from your camera roll and arrange them in the order you like. And remember, clear and natural photos work best. Now fill in your basic info. Add your name, birthday, job, education, and location. The more detail you provide, the easier it is for matches you to know. Write short bio that shows your personality. Keep it fun, light. Set your lifestyle and interest. You can select things like pets, hobbies, drinking, or favorite activities. These make your profile more engaging. You can also change languages as you want. And that's it. Your Bumble profile is ready. Now you can start swiping, matching, and chatting with confidence. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick guides. Catch you in the next one.